Hello student of class 11. Now I am going to discuss the proof of distributive law. That means A union B intersection C, this is equal to A intersection B, A union B. A union B intersection C, this is equal to A union B intersection A union C. A union is distributed both B and C. A union is distributed both B and C. That means A union B intersection A union C. First, I will take the left hand side. In the similar way, I can prove it. Let X belongs to X be any element of the set A union B intersection C. That means X belongs to A union B intersection C. You see this carefully. X belongs to A union, that means or X belongs to A union means or X belongs to B A union, this is intersection B intersection C. That means X belongs to A or X belongs to B and X belongs to C. Okay. That means X belongs to A, X belongs to A, X belongs to B. This is one group, and next group is, you will find the answer first, then you will write it. X belongs to A union, that means or X belongs to B. Next, for this and X belongs to A, for this and X belongs to C. X belongs to this, X belongs to this, and this is union. So, union X belongs to A and X belongs to union means or X belongs to A or X belongs to B. Intersection, that means and X belong, for this portion X belongs to A union, that means or X belongs to C. You will write it in this way. X belongs to this. Okay, so I can write A union B intersection C is a subset of A union B intersection A union C. Easily I can write it. Okay, next I will prove it from right hand side. That means let Y be any element of the set. That means Y belongs to A union B or A union C. That means Y belongs to A This is means Y belongs to A union means or X belongs to B. And this is intersection, that is or Y, sorry, this is Y. Y belongs to A union, that means or Y belongs to C. And after that I will write X belongs to A, Y belongs to A, Y belongs to B, Y belongs to A, Y belongs to C. That means Y belongs to A. Answer is A union B intersection C. B intersection C. That means Y belongs to B intersection means Y belongs to C. Okay, this is union, that is this. Okay, answer is A union B intersection C. Answer is A union B intersection C. You will first see the answer and you will adjust it. So it is very easy. That means Y belongs to A. This means union. Y belongs to B intersection C. Y belongs to this and Y belongs to this. That means Y belongs to A in union B intersection C. That means I can write this is a subset of A union B intersection C, and from two proofs I can write A union B intersection C. This is equal to A union B intersection A union C. Okay, hence the proved. Now I am ending here.